Hi, this is the Chuwi 12-inch tablet. As you can see, I've plugged it in with the USB cable. This light comes on, flashes. Push the on button here. Nothing happens. No matter how long you hold it for, it doesn't turn on. It just keeps flashing the light. I plug this cable into something else just so you know the cable works. I've got another tablet here. I'll plug it into that. Sorry. There you go, plugged it in. It lights up. It starts charging. See, no light on. Plug it in and the light comes on. There you go. Comes on solid or starts flashing. Try to turn it on. Nothing works. Please help.